yeah, we'll get there and they'll be gone. Oh yeah. Oh, we've got two here, look. Hello. One way tag, one way out of tag. Where you going? Eh? Sorry, I've got no food. I can see you in there. Ah, so I know where they are. There's a few on grass here near Rover's ground. Looking for grass, grazing. We'll go and say hello. Over there as well, look. Ah, so we've got a lot of Canada geese and all. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them on here. There's a lot of swans and geese down here. Ah, there we are, all grazing on grass. Tell you a little story of what happened last year. I went round a lake in Doncaster, only a small one, feeding swans and geese and all that, hurting nobody. Winter time like it is now. And a bloke, he must have been in his 70s, came over. Stop feeding ducks, stop feeding swans. You're going to kill them. Ah, come on. It's bloody winter time, they need feed. Not hurting nobody. But yeah, he tried squaring up and trying to push me, you know what I mean? Trying to put, he didn't have a chance. He was only half size, half weight. I mean, I'm just short of 17 stone, over 6 foot. You know what I mean? He tried, so I'm not normally pro trouble, do you know what I mean? But he literally tried pushing me in. What I weren't going to do out is, you know what I mean, he's a bloody 75, around 75. So I'm not going to be chucking anybody about, you know what I mean? But so if you are filming, or going to film, or you're too scared to film, just do it. You're going to get people like that all over the place. You just got to rise above it. Half of the people don't care what you're doing. They look at you going out because they're like, oh, what's he doing? So, and if you do get trouble like that, Keep filming. Even if you put the camera down, at least you've got sound. Because if it does happen, you've got it, haven't you? So, well, yeah, trying to do good, trying to feed wildlife, and that's what you get. So, I'm going to still feed them. No to do with anyone else, has it? Bloody hell. There's worse things in the world. Anyway, we're here. I'll turn you around. Yeah, they're all grazing, look. It's another cold day. I wonder if Nate's here. Is that nice? Grass all over here. Hello. You got food all over your beak. Look. Well, yeah, that's ground, look, football ground. You enjoying that? So yeah, there's the Premier Inn. I may as well show you while I'm here. They've extended across. Quite big actually. Yeah, we've got all geese here as well, look. They're all spread out. 2 grey lags. I don't know where Tango is though. You enjoying your grass? You're not tagged. Hello. Yeah, picnic day for Swans and that. There's Tango. Attacking the other one. Hello, Tango. Hello. I've been looking for you. Yeah. What are you doing up here? See? Here we are, look. 2 grey lags. I bet you're Nate, aren't you? Oh no, you're the red tag. You're still here. Very white. Hello, Tango. Hello. Yeah. You're very loud, aren't you? Yeah. Who are you calling for? They're there, look. There they are. No matter how many times they've had flu down here, you've always been alright, haven't you, Tango? Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to walk all the way around today. I'm just going to go back this way. Go back down to the beach, which is there. come to see you, Tango. Yeah. He's probably one of the most well-known geese in the country, Tango. Everyone around Wild knows him. See you later. And there's his two mates, look. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 grey lag. And then Tango. And this one's really white. Aren't you? You come in then. Come on then. You're new, aren't you? There's your tag. Hello. Oh, you've got a big neck. You can see water's been treated as well with blue on the fur, look, on the feathers. God, look at you. Oh, nice. It's a good job I didn't catch that. See ya. Look at the size of your neck. 6x02. I'll leave you. There's a few down here as well we'll take a look at. Very bad idea wearing white shoes. Trainers. Have a look at this statue while we're here. And then we'll go up on that hill. Good. There we go. Let's get up this hill here. Yeah, a bit of a random video today, guys. Don't mind. That's steep, that. There's a view of it lake. There's Lakeside Shopping Centre. Everything's really close to the lake here. I should have brought a drone with me, shouldn't I? Looks like they're going to be building there as well. Well, that's going to be a car park, I don't know. Yeah, it's a big building, that. We'll have to see if it's open to the public eventually, because it'll be a nice place for people to stay. Where Lake is, shopping centre. Don is literally a 5-minute drive up there into town. So yeah, Premier Inn. You just see Pizza Hut down there. So that's the way into the shopping centre anyway. Right, I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.